Where the players play. This right here is a Seattle, Washington special. It is Dick's. It is dope, and it is going down. Triple D, baby. Those fries look serious. Homie Action Bronson taught me something special. It's always good to be eating on the whip. What's up, YouTube? Everyone say hi to my mom. Say hi, Mom. Say hi to YouTube.
Poor connection. Okay, ahora.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hola.
We do it bilingual here. So nice to meet you. He's in Port Angeles. If it ain't your parents, it's the damn police. It's the Sasquatch. I know you ain't hear my breath because, you know, this is breathtaking. Thank you for being here. Oh, that one's shitting. Ooh, nature. It is so clear here. Although it doesn't look clear at all because of the mist, it has somehow found its way to be clear in the mind. The mind! This is where health thrives. This is what it looks like when you get out of the fog.
Oh my god, we felt that.
No, it's staying. Lord Almighty, yes sir. How dope is that? Looks like the most epic golf course in Mario Golf, dude. Thinking. Just doesn't seem real, but it is, man, and it's out here. It's freaking glorious. Just letting you know, everybody, this is what you see when you follow TorisTrails. I would love running cross country here. Off at him now because I've seen 2 in the last 5 minutes and they haven't seen 1 in the 10,000 years they've lived here. Yeah, so I just need to say, I'm the bear whisperer. I'm the captain now.
No, you're gonna hurt your ankle and ruin the trip. No! Wow. So Avner, I want you to come here. I have to do an interview with you. Can you come here? Can you come here? Babe, look behind you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Totally wild that we were just up in the beautiful blue sky and now we are in the middle of the mystical mist.
Yep. Yo.
That this is an ocean trip and we're out here in these mountains seeing bears and deer and all sorts of things. But this is an ocean trip. Crazy. Entering a realm that's foreign to you, that's strange to you. That's how does the Twilight Zone go?
Okay, so I think it goes like that.
Say it.
You are now entering a place that's different with time and space or something like that. Like a different dimension of time and space, and of mind.
Some West Side pizza. Looks nice and thick, pan crust style, pepperoni, mushroom, Caesar salad. You know how we do. Trivia night at the Freemason Lodge, baby. Beach in, you know, Florida. And seeing one here in Washington is nuts. Industrial ocean on the Pacific Northwest.
Cruise ship or whatever.
Wow. This is such an energy
Oh,
here.
that's Olympic. Don't let him get you.
Thank you, man. The Rocktopus, baby. Look, alpaca farm. Mr. Frodo! The wraiths! They're in the sky! Run! Frodo! Mr. Frodo! The wraiths! They're here!
Oh, yeah.
She's cuckoo. She's manic. Yeah. We're like short. It sucks. The Squim rock. We just passed it on to that totem pole. Yo, double vlog moment, right? Hurricane Coffee Co. 1 through 10. Shouts to Emma Chamberlain. 8.9. It's really solid. Yeah. This is Pane d'amore. We're rated 1 through 10, right?
Love of bread, right?
Yeah.
It tastes natural.
10 out of 10. Truth. Tori says it's called Squim, but I read it as Sequim.
No, it's swim.
Or Sequim. But she says it's Squim. Let me know.
These ones are so dark and beautiful.
Lavender fields forever.
Sheja off with his heat.
Holy shit.
Living is easy with eyes closed.
And I'm gonna puff! And I'm gonna blow your house down! Bitch! There's a buy one get one sale. Lavender. And these bees are shopping. People go to the beach here, there's two things that they do. They either stack stones or they skip stones. I, for one, tend to be a stone skipper. Check me out. Walk.
No, it's good.
Damn it! Let's try out Salty Girls. See how that goes. When you're over in Squim, or in the Pacific Northwest, you have to try house-made clam chowder. It's at Port Townsend, and it feels like a small Victorian Canadian community. I got Buddy right here. Hi, Buddy. Hi. Wild right here.
Weird.
Wild.
A poor rich life for me.
This that nectar. Look at that. It's shining in the sky. You and I are the perfect pair, and this is also the perfect pair.
Alright, have a good one.
See what's up, area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have?
Switch rooms because the people above us were knocking boots so loud that we thought it was a level 9 earthquake, dude. It was horrible. So she gave us another room. We took the pillow top from the other bed because we extra. And guess what? We took their comforters and the other pillows. So now we really stacked up. Sasquatch Donuts. This right here, man, it's not fair.
Three, two,
Frodo, we have to go. The wraiths are coming. We have to go now. Really quickly, just wanted to show all my Twilight fans out here, if there are any. The city of Forks, baby. It's where Twilight was filmed. But really though, who gives a fuck? So we are staying at the Dewdrop Inn. Got a little balcony, a room filled with character. Got the Illuminati floors over there. It's not bad. Tori just said Stephanie Meyer Day. The book sucks. My dog Chris, I'm glad you can make it, bro. Good for you. Need a haircut, dog.
We have to stay back. I'm sorry. Oh wait, actually you're a werewolf. Look at that beard. I'm more of a vampire.
Dopest beach ever. The scene at the beach, baby. Whoa, there's a seal. Oh shit, there was a seal in there hunting with the geese. Yes sir, they out here. Look at these waves, at least 15 feet. Getting wet, let's go. We got dinner on the table.
Where's the dinner on the table?
This is just for picture purposes only. Come here, babe. Let's pose over here. Now let's pose over here. Screenshot. Let's pose over here. Screenshot. Let's pose over here. Screenshot. Pose over here. And on the 39th day, I decided to read the message in the bottle. It did say, get the hell out. There's a tsunami on its way. So I'm leaving my house, and that's it. I see him. Oh, buddy. Come here, buddy.
I like the noise when it crashes.
I am Avner Arama. I am the truth. I am nasty at basketball. What's your name?
Rob Chernovsky, local 342. How's that?
Wow.
Oh, that's dope, dude. Yeah,
So,
we got you. He's
55
retired,
now.
and he's riding from San Francisco all the way to here.
Well,
in
he
Forks,
wrote,
Washington.
yeah.
I took the Amtrak to Seattle.
Okay.
From Seattle all the way back to San Francisco because I live in
Wow.
Alameda. And then
Love
I'm going
it.
to take a break and I'm going to go to San Diego.
Love
Amazing.
it. That's an
Trip one.
incredible journey.
Trip one.
Two is
one.
the PCT, which got closed down.
Okay.
Trip 3 is kayaking from Seattle to Skagway, Alaska.
Hey, maybe we'll do the PCT
Absolutely.
with you on trip 2. And we can have a good old time.
Yeah,
We'll get our own trail names and everything.
I'm slow.
He's gonna ride to San Francisco
He's gonna
now.
ride to San Francisco from here.
And we are in
Washington Forks.
Forks, Washington.
Hey, slinging drinks since 2019. That means you've only been serving coffee for like a year. I guess the sign will hold value in the future. Coffee Brothers iced caramel latte with almond milk.
It's good.
It's delicious. It's like a 9 out of 10. Good luck, bro. Good luck.
We just went by.
Yeah, dude.
There's his girlfriend.
No luck for her. Tori said that coronavirus doesn't even exist here, and I agree with that 100%. Haven't thought about it once. This is the first documentation of it. Young Av out here on Tori's Trails. Where we at today? Okay. Hoh Rainforest. Yes, sir. Hydration station, baby. This looks like where Frodo was floating down. The sun shining today in the Hoh Rainforest is rare. Tori just spotted this huge slug.
Don't touch it.
No. You can see it's alive. Put some salt on him.
So this is a rainforest, Avner?
Right.
Why is it so sunny?
Because the Lord shines on us on this good.
It crossed the trail.
Wow. Yeah, go for it. Out here. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. This is crazy. Yo, this might be the coolest island I have ever seen in my life, dude. It's a vertical island, straight off the shoreline. Are you kidding me? Yo. Right there got too much hair. Homeboy right there got too much hair. I think I found a house you actually could afford. It's just the roof.
He left his shoes outside.
It's just the roof and you left your shoes outside. They need a quick shine. You hear me? But for real though, it doesn't even have a door, which I know you like because you don't like having privacy.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All people in the coach.
Forks, Washington has so much to owe Twilight. They even bought the car from the production company so they could have it in their Hall of Fame museum here. This is the highlight, this is the gem, and I'm standing right next to it here on TorisTrails. First bullet bill was made out of wood. Came out of Japan, found it over here, washed up in the Pacific Northwest. Yo, this is the original Toadstool house in Mario. Timber Museum! The greatest place on earth! Helen and Russ Thomas.
Your house is beautiful.
Your house is wonderful.
It's for sale.
It's for sale?
Oh no, hay for sale. Hay.
Oh, well, what a cop did. Gorgeous milk tanks. Around town as you know, we're leaving
Babe,
tomorrow morning.
Just talk normal as if you're really doing a vlog.
Okay, I got you. Checking out of the Dewdrop Inn, driving back to Hurricane Ridge, then driving back to Seattle. Boy Vince Carter, they made a drink after him. Just playing, they made a drink after me.
After?
Yeah, vanilla caramel.
Mistake making with excuses like maybe that was alone.
$1.50 for this. Delicious. All my Floridians making the trek to Washington. We've done that in 2018. We recommend all the Floridians to do that because you need to come out and see this. Just gotta do it. Another amazing day at Hurricane Ridge. Yeah, I got stuff for you.